Are you wondering what trinkets to use for the new event toons? For Pumpkin Child, I would use Mini Roger or Participation Award. For Extraction, because he has that nice 5-star skill check. But for Distracting, just use Dog Plush and Speedy Shoe. Or for Rebecca, I would use Mini Roger and any other trinket because she already has 3 and everything. For Eclipse, I would Mini Roger and maybe any trinket because I'm not helpful. I'm sorry. Mini Roger and any trinket of choice, I guess. I mean, Sylvester. He has pretty good extraction. I would just use any speed trinkets. Speedy Shoe and Pink Bow is pretty nice, but distracting trinkets, I guess those work. Vanity Mirror would be good for Panic as well. That's my opinions on trinkets. Let me know if I could. I don't know. What? Mini Roger and Tisha